Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello ladies and gentlemen. Come back with me Arfiani from 5th semester, student of English Education Department of Sultan Syarif Qasim Riau. And in this location I would like to tell you about our material, and the title is Analyzing and Interpreting Qualitative Data. We'll learn about 6 steps involved in analyzing and interpreting qualitative data. The first is preparing and organizing the data for analysis. The second is exploring the data through coding. The third, using codes to develop description and themes. The fourth, representing the findings, narratives, and visuals. The fifth, making an interpretation of the meaning of the findings. And the last is conducting a validation of the accuracy of the findings. The process of data analysis divides 6. The first, codes the text for description to be used in the research report. The second, codes the text for themes to be used in the research report. The third, the researcher codes the data, locates text segments, and assigns a code to label them. The fourth, the researcher reads through data, obtains general sense of material. The fifth, the researcher prepares data for analysis, transcripts, file notes. And the sixth is the researcher collects data, a text file such as file notes, transcriptions, optically scans material. The first is preparing and organizing the data for analysis. We must develop a metric or table of sources that can be used to organize the material. And we can organize material by type, keep duplicate copies of materials, and transcript data. And we can prepare data for hand or computer analysis and select computer program. The second is exploring the data. In here, obtain a general sense of the data by performing a preliminary exploratory analysis. Read through file notes and interviews several times to get a sense of the interview and the observation. Write memos in the margins of interviews or file notes of your initial reflections on the data, and consider whether more data are needed. Coding the data. The first, read through a transcripts fiction. Start with one transcript. Identify text, segments, X. What is this person saying? Next, break a text segments, and the last is assign code word. In assign code word, divide for the first 1, 2, or 3 words that describe what is being said. The second, terms from the literature can be used. The third, when possible, use a participant's actual word in vivo code. And the last is practice learn coding 13 until 14 codes. Coding the data code includes code that describe the participants and site. Reduce redundancy. In here, divide 2. The first is take out codes that are duplicate ideas. The second, reduce to manageable lists, usually 25 until 30. Collapse codes into themes, which are the major ideas that emerge from the data. The second, the ideas the participants most frequently discuss are unique or surprising, have the most evidence to support them, or thus you might expect to find when studying the phenomenon. and the list is usually number 5 until 7. A visual model of the coding process in qualitative research. Initially read through data and many pages of text. Divide text into segments of information and many segments of text. Label segments of information with codes, 30 until 40 codes, and reduce overlap and redundancy of codes. Codes reduce to 20. And the last is collapse codes into themes, reduce codes to 5 until 7 themes. Third is using codes to build description. Describe in here for people, events, activities, processes, and describe in detail. And in here, one building a descriptive passage. The incident occurred on the campus of a public university in a Midwestern city. Until some of these violent incidents have involved students at the university, is description built from broad to narrow. The incident that provoked until the instructor was en route to class is situate the reader in the place provide details. The third paragraph, the gunman until the room, is detailed to create a sense of being tree and use of action, verb, and vivid modifiers and adjectives. Using codes to identify themes. There are 4 developed ordinary themes, unexpected themes, social science themes, and layering and connecting themes. Is coding used in theme passage. The title is safety. From the paragraph 1 until concurrent for safety became a central reaction for many informants is title for them based on word of participants. And from paragraph 2 until end is evidence for themes based on multiple perspectives or participants, and within themes are subthemes. And the 4 is representing the findings. The first is comparison table, a table used to compare groups on one theme. The second is demographic table, a table of demographic on individual participants on a research site. The third, hierarchical tree, or a diagram that visually represents themes and their interconnections. The 4 figures or diagrams, a visual depiction that shows the interconnections between themes. And the last is drawings, maps of the basic layout of the site. Regarding the findings, there are divided 5. The first is multiple perspectives for each theme. The second, metaphors and analogies. Next, quotes, next, detail, and the last is tensions and contradictions. The 5 is interpreting the findings. There are divided 5. The first is interpreting is not neutral. The second, reflect about the personal meaning of the data. The third, compare and contrast personal viewpoints with the literature. The fourth, address limitations of the study. And the last is make suggestion for future research. And the next is validating the accuracy of the findings. The first, member checking, asking members to check the accuracy of the account. Triangulation, using corroborating evidence. And the last is external audit, hiring the service of an individual outside the study to review the study. Okay, I think enough explanation for me. More and less, I'm sorry. Wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.